Okay, so last time when we did petty cash book, yeah, so I had made it very clear to you all कि in petty cash you have to categorize your expenses. ठीक है? Yeah, you have to categorize your expenses. Now, if you look into this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 expenses as per the question. Okay, but see, हमने उनको कितने छोटे में categorize कर दिया. We have categorized them under this: cartage, printing and stationery, refreshments, conveyance मतलब traveling, and sundries or repairs and maintenance, or you can write sundries, or you can even write general expenses. एक ही बात है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have made 5 heads of accounts. Okay, जिसके अंदर में 12 एक्सपेंसेस है. तो मैं 12 अलग अलग लेजर नहीं बना रही हूँ, मैं 12 अलग अलग अकाउंट्स नहीं खोल रही हूँ, मैं उसको 5 हेड्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स के अंदर इसको कंप्लीट करती हूँ. इज दैट क्लियर अबाउट पेटी कैश बुक? या ओके. So there was a printing error, obviously. Yeah, it was January का month, Jan month है. Yeah, January month, and so after Jan, when you close the books of accounts, I mean when you close your petty cash, the balance will be transferred to 1st Feb. Okay, so that is the correction done. Okay, you have to total the individual expenses. 10 plus 43, 53. 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 74, 325. 22 plus 52 plus 20, 94. 6 plus 87, 93. This is 100, this is 100. Then total this, you will get 665. तो ये तुम्हारा खर्चा है. ओके, और आपको मिले कितने हैं? 1000 रुपये. ओके, तो कितना बच गया? हाउ मच वैल्यू is left, how much money is saved? Yeah, so that you have to calculate. Okay, 1000 you have got for the month and 665 तुम्हारा खर्चा है, so 335 is your closing balance. Okay, then it was clearly said कि it is under the Impress system, right? Impress system था. What did I tell you about Impress system? Impress system में every month the cashier will give you, every month the petty cashier will keep, जैसे ये सम में 1000, तो every month he will keep 1000 with him. ठीक है, उसका ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना था? 328, एंड करंट मंथ में पैसा कितना उसने ऐड किया? 672. तो 328 प्लस 672 इज हाउ मच? 1000. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट मंथ इन फेब ऑल्सो ही विल टेक 1000 ओनली. ठीक है ना? तो 335 उसके पास बचा है ऑलरेडी, उसके पास जनवरी का 335 बैलेंस है, तो और कितना पैसा वो डालेगा फेब में? 665. Am I clear about this? Is this clear? Okay, so this is very, very, very important. So fine, good. Okay, then journal entry. How do you journalize a petty cash book? ये जितने भी आपने heads of account बनाए ना, 1 cartage account debit, printing and stationery account debit, refreshment account debit, traveling account debit, that is conveyance, sundries account debit or general expense account debit to petty cash account. Okay, to petty cash account. Is the journal entry also clear to everyone? Okay, whatever you have made your heads of account, जितने आपने column बनाए हैं for the heads of expenses, वही debit होगा, because they all are nominal accounts. Nominal accounts का golden rule is what? Debit the expenses, credit the income. तो ये सब मेरे खर्चे हैं, so I will debit them. Okay. See, cartage debit, postage telegram debit, conveyance that is traveling debit, refreshment debit, repairs and maintenance आप कर सकते हो या आप उसको sundries में भी डाल सकते हो. It is up to you students. Yeah. Okay. To petty cash. I generally make the heads of account and I put that. For me, that is, I feel that's easy. So cartage account debit 53, printing and stationery debit 325, refreshments debit 94, traveling debit 93, sundries debit 100, to petty cash account 665. Okay. And then you have to make a small petty cash account. Last lecture we had made only the petty cash. हमने उसकी entry नहीं की थी. Okay, yeah. So this is a journal entry of a petty cash book, and this is a ledger of a petty cash account. Okay, so you have the opening balance. Yes, to opening balance, to cash 672. बराबर ना? आप cash भी तो लाए petty account में. Yeah, see. Yeah, this one. So I'm talking about this entry. Okay, petty cash account debit to cash. Petty cash account debit, or you can say petty cash expense account debit to cash. ये भी right entry है. ठीक है. फिर आपका total कितना है? Total 665. Yes, then you have to write by the last transaction is 25th January. So that day when you total, yeah, so it is 665. So buy sundries 665. Then close this ledger, you will get this balance 335, which you will transfer in the next month, that is 1st of Feb, to opening balance. And then again same, the difference, because it is the impress system. So impress system में January में 1000 था, तो Feb में भी 1000 ही होना चाहिए. You will take only the difference. 1000 रुपीज में से 335 ऑलरेडी मेरे पास है पिछले महीने का. तो कितना बचा? 665, which I will be using in Feb. Am I clear about this petty cash? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay, so we have done everything now, right from journal entry to ledger to subsidiary books. Okay, yeah, to how to journalize the subsidiary books, and I have done petty cash also with you. Okay, and last is trial balance, the last part of this chapter. Okay, so yeah, before that, before coming to the last part, I want to do a very small application based question with you with respect to opening entries. Okay, generally whenever we have a opening ledger balance, opening balance of ledger, we don't journalize it. Okay, because हमें लगता है ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस की जर्नल एंट्री नहीं होती है. ओके, अगर सपोज मुझे फर्नीचर अकाउंट का ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया है, ओके, तो मैं क्या करूंगी? आई विल राइट इट हियर टू ओपनिंग बैलेंस, राइट ना? आई गिव यू दिस, इसका ही एग्जांपल कितना है? 20,000. सो आई राइट हियर 20. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? स्टॉक अकाउंट. तो आई विल मेक अ स्टॉक अकाउंट एंड आई विल राइट हियर टू ओपनिंग बैलेंस 14,000. नेक्स्ट कौन सा है? सिरकार, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, डेबिट बैलेंस बोला है, तो आई राइट हियर टू ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना है? 7,500. राइट, दिस इज व्हाट वी डू. Everybody agrees to this. Whenever there is an opening balance, what do? We just show it on the debit side or credit side respectively, wherever the ledger is given. मतलब whichever balance the ledger is showing. बराबर ना? Yeah. So now, if I tell you to journalize this, if I tell you, अब जैसे ये transaction है, look at this transaction, furniture debit balance, stock of goods account debit balance, S Sirkar debit balance, M Mitra debit balance, cash debit balance, B Basu credit balance, capital account credit balance. Okay. And the question is telling you write the opening entries, matlab opening journal entries. Okay. Now, when I say only journal entries means journal entries for the year, transactions during the year. The journal entry is for transactions during the year. Okay. But when I tell you write the opening entries, matlab opening balances ka journal entry. If I tell you to write the closing entries, it means closing balances ka journal entry. Am I clear, students? Acknowledge it in the chat box. समझ में आया? Transactions during the year, journal entries is different. Opening balances journal entry is different, and closing entries मतलब closing balance का journal entry. Okay, so this is very simple. इसका journal entry क्या आएगा? Furniture account debit, stock account debit, debit balance बोला है ना? हाँ, debit, S Sirkar debit, M Mitra debit, cash debit, to B Basu credit, and to capital credit. That's it. हो गया. And narration में you should write being opening balances of assets and liabilities recorded. Okay. Being opening balances of assets and liabilities recorded. Okay.